Look. Look at the lady. Look at the lady. The lady. Oh, look at the dog. Is that hers?
I don't think so.
What if it bites her? What if it bites her? What the fuck? That's a shy ass thing. Alright, we just figured out the dog we've been chasing in part 1 is shy. Yes, it ran out the gate. Woo! Yeah, boy. We free. Hey! Uh-oh. 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 Kibbles! Uh-oh. It's turning back around. It's going in my freaking apartments! What is it doing? Get out of my apartment! Stop that dog! Stop that dog. Pam! What's wrong with my apartment? Where'd it go? It went next to Dion's house. Dion Barry's house. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's gonna walk home and that dog gonna bite his legs off. Heck no, I'm jumping over that gate. Alright. You just realized part 2. And we will not have any more parts after this. It's gone. Deuces. This is Dorian1369. Subscribe and comment.
What about Andrew?
Oh yeah, and Andrew's dough. And next time you want us to make a video, give us ideas in your comments so we'll know.
In our comments.
Yeah, in our comments. So, yeah. In our comments, give us some ideas for...
We'll do anything you tell us to do except for nasty stuff like butt licking and other stuff like that.
Yeah.
Because we're not gay.
So, like... deuces. Alright. Not yet. No, I turned the camera around and got a booty.